Welcome back to Sam's channel where we create memories. Today we are going to be modernizing your vases that you either have at home or that you purchase from the dollar store and just want to give them a new look or a different look perhaps with a twist. So we're modernizing your vase with a twist. Probably have seen in other DIYs for vases, they all commonly use a paint or mixture of paint and like baking soda or flour or whatnot to make it like a rough clay texture on the outside of the vases. We're gonna do something similar to that using chalk paint, adding a little bit extra just to go that one extra step. Stick around, you will not want to miss the turnout of these vases or vases, however you say it. They are fantastic in my opinion, but again, you can comment down below what you think during the process. And other than that, let us get into the supplies that you need for this. The materials that you need for this project are a glue gun. Mine's from Homedepot, so it's a little more heavy duty. Some string. White decor chalk paint. Scissors, paintbrushes, and your containers. Of course, you'll need the two vases that you're painting, and any additional items that I forget will be down below. Other than that, let's get started. The second step is slightly different because when you go over it again horizontally, it provides a nice texture over the vase. Once the vase has fully dried, you're going to take your thicker paint and dry brush over top of the vase to highlight the raised detailing on the outside of the vase. The original plan was to paint the string a dark gray color and use that to accent the vase. However, when the string dried, it wasn't as easy to manipulate and work with, so I decided to use just the natural color of the string, and that's what we did. For the first two strings that go up vertically on the vase, I made sure to glue the bottoms of the strings first to ensure that when I glued them to the top, that they were perfectly opposite of each other. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun and interesting to see how the turnout of these vases worked. There was obviously a little bit of a hiccup or discovery as we went through it, but those things happen sometimes and you just gotta make do with what you got. So either way, I love the way that they turned out. I hope you guys did too. Please comment down below if you have any other ideas or suggestions that I should do for future videos. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and to subscribe so that you can see the content for these DIY homemaking projects in the future for every Tuesday. And on that note, I hope you have a terrific Tuesday and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!